Guys, and welcome to my channel. This is Jessica, and Jessica is a virgin, and she wanted to try something new and fun, and she is a very fair-skinned girl, so we decided fire hair would be really awesome for her, and I can't wait for you guys to see me turn this virgin hair into this awesome fire hair, so stay tuned right now. Hey everybody, welcome to Hair Tunes, raw, real, and diverse hair education, tips, and tricks. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hey guys, and welcome. So I already kind of started a little bit here, a little bit cheating, but I am just going to go in and I'm just going to start lightening all this hair, and I'm basically going to do a platinum card. I'm really working all that lightener in. Looks like I'm using oligo. It's been a while. So this is some old content. This is back from July of 2021, and I am using my Nomad hair foil board. I was already onto these awesome foil boards. So I do not want to lighten her roots at all, though. I want to keep it natural because she wants to do something that's simple and growing out. So of course I'm using OlaPlex in here, and it looks like I am using oligo black light to me, because that looks like the color of my black light, color of my lightener. So I'm just going up through the head and just folding it over once and just working it all up through the head. I'm going to take section after section throughout the head. It's a very tedious process. I think this takes me about an hour and a half to do, working very fast through the whole head. Now we do need to lift her about 4 levels for this color. And yes, I'm going to have a lot of lines, but I am going to go ahead and blur all those out with her natural root shade. So I'm going to probably use calura gloss and go in with like a 6 and 7R, maybe like a little bit of a gold, just to blur away any of those lines that the foils may leave throughout the head. Now I love working the brush side to side because it helps roll the hair. So I get lightener on both sides of the hair. As you can see, I make all kinds of little patterns and I work back and forth. If you guys find me on Instagram or TikTok, you guys literally do not see this whole process, and I am still speeding this up. And I bet some of this footage is still cut out because my assistant never films the whole thing. She stops halfway through. But she's busy doing other stuff too. So here now I have stopped. Well, I'm done with the back. So now I'm moving on to the other side of the head. And I do in her book. So sometimes she is also working on other people in between. And then sometimes I have to film myself. But now I have 2 assistants. So I always have somebody filming, hopefully. Sometimes lately we've even been busy where they're both working on somebody and I'm working on somebody. It's just been crazy at the salon lately, which is good. Busy is good. I like being busy. So again, just working this lightener through. So if you guys would ever do fashion colors, let me know in the comments. So I am done processing this hair. As you can see, I'm just going to pull out all these foils. I didn't lock them all up or anything. I know I'm breaking the law, guys. No gloves. So we rinsed it. We OlaPlexed her. We shampooed. We stop oxidation with Malibu C. Now I'm going to go in with her root shade. So the root shade is Oligo Calura Gloss in like a 7R and a 6 or 7 GI. Sorry guys, this was back in July of 2021, so I don't remember exactly, but it's pretty damn close to her natural. So I'm going to go ahead and just process that for like 20 minutes, and then we're going to rinse her out, and then I'm going to go ahead and do her vivid application. So I did comb that down a little bit, and sometimes, like I said, we get busy and it's really hard to film like every single step. So I just applied the lighter color, and then I'm going to go in with the darker red shade. So this is, or the orange or the red, whatever color I feel like using at the time. And this is Matrix Socult, so I would use like the red hot and the orange, which is usually I mix the neon and the orange alert together because I like the way it looks. And then I usually mix the neon yellow and the duckling yellow or yellow duck yellow together because I like the way that looks as well. So a lot of times I'll flip it under and over my hands, and then I just smush the 2 colors together between my 2 fingers. And I do believe that is a technical term, smushing. It is. So just going ahead and applying that. And I do like to scatter my colors up and down, up and down. So like sometimes I'll do like brighter colors upon other colors and then make secondary tones with other colors, or just because the different levels of colors up or high, some are up high and some are down low, and it just gives like multi-dimensional looks when it comes time to styling. It just looks really, really pretty, and I just like it. It gives a prettier look. So we're going to process that for about 25 minutes, guys. And if you find value in my content, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and hit the ding dong and all those kind of things. And guys, the finale is coming. Holy cats, guys. Does anybody have any shades? This looks amazing. Absolutely beautiful. I love this fire hair. I love red tones. I love yellow tones. I love orange tones. I like every color in the rainbow. Guys, again, if you find any value in my content, please like, subscribe, share, hit the ding dong, all the good stuff. I appreciate you guys. Love you guys. Tell me how much you love it. Have a great one, guys. Bye.